Fire immediately. Over.
Gatekeeper, this is Fortress. Say again. You're breaking up. Over.
Control north of Central Lake. Do not enter the canal. I say again, do not enter the canal.
Son of a bitch.
Sir, I can try Morse code. Should get through clear.
No time. The destroyers on our tail won't pause and wait for us.
Orders, sir?
You're gonna fire up radar, sonar, and every single scanner you got. I need to know what the fuck we are sailing into.
It's the worst goddamn 3 hours of my life. Not exactly the ride home I was looking for.
There's the Valkyrie.
Yeah. Sailing right into a death trap.
Hook up! Hook up!
You gonna be okay?
Raw rabbit and MREs. Testing my steel. Son of a bitch!
Check! Static! Line!
If you're gonna throw up, aim for the enemies on the ground.
Check! Equipment!
Boots on fucking ground, Recker! Boots on fucking ground!
Low drop! Stand by! Go! 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 Go!
I hate this shit!
Fortress, this is Tombstone 3. I say again, Fortress, this is Tombstone 3. How copy? Over.
Going for the Valkyrie.
Any station dispatch. This is Fortress. Does anyone copy? We're being boarded. I say again, we're being boarded.
They're not gonna last long.
We can land on the deck. Aim for the deck.
You okay, Reck?
She's swarming with enemies. Clear it and push through. Use cover when we can. Turn kill! Fuck grenade! Hit the deck!
Sniper! On the walkway!
clear it and push through.
You know what Chief's men are capable of.
Use cover when we can.
Got it!
All right.
Nice shooting, Sergeant! Enemy down!
Come on.
Shit! I hope Garrison wasn't in there. Fuck! Stay clear! somewhere.
Where do we go in?
Down one more level. Eyes open. Hannah, left. I'll take the corridor. Keep looking.
Clear.
Drop it, motherfucker! Jesus, Reck. I almost shot you in the face again. You made it back. Tombstone's still alive.
Son of a bitch. We thought you were dead, buddy.
Yeah, man. Damn, after you guys left me,
Where's Jinche? Is he okay?
you're still around. It's cool. And yes, Jinjae's safe. I'll take you to him.
Sergeant Bukowski, what about the refugees?
Marines, you stay with them. I gotta get Tombstone to medbay.
On your lead, Sergeant.
Watch the corners.
Hey, Pac, what happened to Singapore? How'd you get out alive?
They had me fucked, and I got unfucked. Let's leave it at that.
When'd you get such a potty mouth?
Literally crawling through 1,000 yards of shit with a hole in your stomach will do that.
Ain't get any closer to hell than that, boy.
You with me, Reck? Synchronized attack. Open the door.
Go, go, go! Ready?
Watch out!
We're clear!
Sir, we are on our way. Tombstone is en route.
All right, make it fast.
Better late than never, squad. Gotta get him out of here.
Easy. You have been unconscious for several days. You shouldn't even be
If I
speaking.
am silent, I am nothing.
我让你失望了，对不起。
不慌，你永远是我的后盾。They come for me. Chang's men.
Look, take this. We need to get you out of
I
here.
have put down my guns, Captain. My brothers will not kill me.
Maybe I didn't make myself clear. Your brothers think you're already dead. You're a target, like us. An assignment. Search and destroy.
And they have to see me. Know that I still breathe. They will forget their mission and lay down their arms.
So, we let him in and see what happens?
Yes.
That was a joke. Irish, Recker, cover the door.
I am serious. If we fight, it is over. I will open the door
I
myself.
can't let you do that. Now you listen to me. They'll kill you the second they get through. That door's the only thing keeping you alive.
With such an extreme trauma, he shouldn't even be up. I mean, this is the concussion talking.
In this room, I am invisible.
Oh, Jesus.
I am dead already. We all are. If I cannot show my face, if I cannot speak to my brothers without fear, then I have lost. I need to know where I stand. Open the door, Sergeant.
Easy, easy, easy.
喂，兄弟，你被骗了。如果你愿意听我会告诉你的事情，
Don't do it. Don't fucking do it.
Stand 活了，把枪放下。Stand down。Jinjae 活了。 我们要告诉其他人，舰载活了。哎，这是野火，对，舰载活了，还在机船上面。是真的，舰载活了，舰载活了。
Son of a bitch did it. But what now? There's still a lot of Chinese soldiers out there.
They know it's him. They'll get the word.
是脏的，经理。我们在北面有个船，在桥旁边。
It's Che. They have a warship north of us.
That son of a bitch, he's gonna bury the truth and everyone with it.
Can we strike it?
We got nothing left.
Not even C4?
No shortage of C4, but what the hell are we gonna do with that?
Give me a rib and all the goddamn C4 you got left.
Can't be serious, Irish.
We are. Absolutely, sir.
All right, Pac. Show him.
Recker, Irish, come with me. Hannah, are you sure about this?
姐姐，你身体健康。
Godspeed.
Listen up. I want a rig loaded with C4, hooked up and ready to go now. Hurry it up. We're on our way. That was amazing. Is he always like that?
On his good days.
You sure you're not married to him?
I'm married to what he stands for.
Hey, Hannah. Ever wish things could be different?
Sure, of course I do. Until they are, gotta keep fighting.
You all right with me, Hannah?
This is for you, Sergeant.
You're not coming back?
You're staying alive. It's an order.
We'll live. You keep the Valkyrie afloat until we get back.
Hoorah!
Motherfucker! Another bad fucking ass here! What's wrong with us, Hannah? Son of a bitch!
Almost there!
Fortress, this is Tombstone 3. We're close to our target point. Over.
This is Fortress. That fucking ship is hammered. So if you can, pick up your pace.
Copy that, Fortress. Out.
All right, here it comes.
Tombstone, come on, this is it. This is our fucking day. Do or die.
Do or fucking die. You okay?
We're in their blind spot. Get ready.
Secure.
Irish. Don't worry. They're made in Sweden.
Oh, that feels so much better. Fortress, this is Tombstone 3. We're in position and ready to blow shit up. What's your status? Over.
We're almost done for. So send it to hell.
Hannah, hit the switch.
Red! Something's wrong! There's no connection! Recker!
Fuck, give it to me. We gotta go back down.
Okay, well, only one of us needs to go. Recker, do you have another one of those C4 charges? Good.
Give it to me.
You are not risking your life, Hannah. I'm Irish, remember? The lucky one. Give it to me, Recker.
Recker, I risk my life for my country every day. Give me the charge.
Your country needs you alive, Hannah. You are not...
Recker, when the detonator goes green, you push the button!
Hannah! Motherfuckers!
It's set! Push the button, Recker!
You're gonna kill her!
God damn!
She gave her life, Recker. She gave her life for every fucking thing she believed in.
Fortress, this is Bloodhound. Tombstone's on board. We're bringing them back. All are accounted for. One of them is missing in action, sir. Nothing we can do. We have to pull out immediately. Shit. Understood. I'll get my Marines back home.